What up, though, socialites? It's your girl, Socially Chrissy, and today we're uncovering Corktown and its rich history, vibrant culture, and unique attractions. Let's dive in. I'm currently at Michigan Central, and if you're not familiar, I'll add some video to it to show you how it has gone a completely renovation and how it is Corktown's newest beauty. Let's get into it. That's crazy. There's something about biking around. As a car-free mom in Detroit, I love that there are places in the city, not many, but the fact that we have something that I don't have to worry about a car. It's car-free, it's amazing, it's clean. Something about it gives appreciated. Us eventually to this park, which is, as it says, from legacy to landmark. It's the Ralph C. Wilson Jr. Centennial Park. The expectations are grand, and for the first time ever, actually be able to see what they see, because a lot of times when the city of Detroit gives us the scope of things, it's completely smaller to the fraction of the ideas. I'm debating. I feel like I want to bring out my drone and fly it over. So let me go fly my drone over to show you what we'll be receiving and what Ralph C. Wilson Park is expected to look like. Let's go. The Jeep. I'm trying to have no insurance. That's just. As we walk through these streets, you can feel the history beneath your feet. Literally, this is cement, but at 2 inches, it's cobblestone. From the beautifully preserved Victorian homes to the iconic Michigan Central Station, Corktown is essentially a living museum. All right, so we're in front of Mudgie's, which is one of my favorite spots in Corktown. Whether you're here for wine, you're here for one of their amazing decadent sandwiches, the lobster roll in August, you won't disappoint. It's really about having the atmosphere and the vibes and just that historic feel and modern innovation of a neighborhood. When I tell you that Mudgie's is a 30 out of 10, I will always highly recommend. I mean that from my heart. I'm not just saying it for the video, because I'm the creator and editor. What would be the point? 10 seconds. Meet me in the middle. In the middle. Man. So yes, I know you guys are probably like, oh my gosh, what? You're using a optometrist and an eyeglass place to be a hidden gem? One, you can get eyeglasses from anywhere as long as you have a prescription. Two, don't you want to get some bomb bust down Detroit honed in? Tina owns it. Her personality is a 30 out of 30. Glasses? I mean, I don't know about you. But also, there's a lot of people who live in the cities and states that they reside in who don't go to any other places either. So that video is for them too. And I just wanted to tell you about that because Tina is a top tier human. So yes, one of the secret places that I think is a hidden gem is going to be Spectacle Society. But let's go to the place that is sweets. And I'm sweet on them, they sweet on me. Let's go. He made the cut.